Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you still didn't subscribe, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So today I'm going to unbox and try this product. This is magnetic eyeliner eyelashes. So it's my first time to use magnetic eyelashes, and to be honest, I'm not used to using fake lashes because I'm not good at it. I really messed up putting the glue. I don't know, some other girls are so good with it, but for me, it's like making my life harder. So I'm just using mascara, but I'm really jealous of those girls who can, who can do it good. So I'm really happy to find this product because it's like they said, it's like you just put the eyeliner and then the lashes will be easier to put the fake lashes to your eyes. So we're gonna see if it's true and if will make my life more easier. So we're going to unbox it, okay? So we're gonna open it and voila! So nice, right? So pretty. So I bought this online for €12 and I was so amazed because the one who sells this is a guy. So I was like, I thought it's like those girly girl, but it's a man who sells this product, and he told me like, this will last for 3 months if you handle it with care. So yeah, I think this product is worth the price, because if you go to the salon, you pay like 20 to 30 euro and it lasts like for 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So yeah, this is worth it. And it has this clipper, the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and the 5 set of eyelashes. So now we gonna try it. Yay! Okay, I'm so excited. So first, they have instruction here. So we're gonna follow instruction because to be safe, right? So first is we need to shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times. So with eyelashes, because look, I can't even see my own eyelashes. I have small eyelashes, okay? So this will help, I hope. So now we're gonna put the eyeliner. I like to put liquid eyeliner, so I think this will be great for me. And I have my small mirror here. So, okay. Let's do it! Let's do it! Wow, when I'm excited, my voice get more high pitch. So yeah. I hope we're maybe more thicker, so it will be the magnetic eyeliner will do the magic. Sweating. It's so hot here in Malta. It's like November, but it's like still summer, and it's sunny outside, and it's my day off, and I'm so happy. Look, I'm sweating. Oh shit. Naglamyat siya. Gosh. Because it's easy to remove even. which is nice. All right, and apply the eyelashes on the top of your eyeliner so it can make your false eyelashes more invisible. So I'm gonna apply it. That's what they said. I'm gonna use the clipper. Clipper. Damn, this really magnet. I think the one who invented this is insanely good. It helps us girl more pretty, and it makes our life more easier since we like to do stuff here. Alright. Wow. Damn. It really, wow. Oh la la. Fist. Wow, I can really feel, oh damn. Alright. Oh, but it's more, we're down a bit. I think I need to put it more down. Wait, I need more of this. Make it more down because it's too high. Right? Because that's too high. And then clipper. Wow, look at this. And then the other side. Other side. Not good in using the clipper, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Maybe a bit here. Whoa. Damn. I look different with the eyelashes. It looks more nice. I mean, it really helps with eyes, right? It emphasizes more. Look at this. Guys, you look like a, wow. And it's so easy. I have it now. Well, I'm gonna give this product 10 out of 10. It's so easy to apply. There's no mess. It's not messy at all. And it's easy to remove. And you can just take it out and put it back. If it falls, you don't need to get the glue again and stuff. Wow, this is so nice. Well, that's it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel if you want to see some travel vlog or review beauty products and stuff like that. I do a lot of things in my channel. So like, yeah, cooking and stuff. But this is so nice. And I really highly recommend this to all the girls or to my besties that to buy this product. Thank you for watching, and click once again subscribe, like, and click the bell button. Have a nice day. Cheers from Malta. Ciao.